I'm coming, sir. Welcome to student professor. Good evening. There is our menu. You choose what you need.
What kind of food do you have?
We have all our fast food and we have the juice item also.
Okay, yes, everything is available in here.
Yeah,
We will order something later. Just check first.
yeah. Sir, give your time.
No problem, you will set.
No problem. You follow again.
Which is pizza roll? Pizza. Do you have pizza?
Yes, sir. We have a pizza and we have French fry also. We have right now one discount pizza with French fry. French fry is free.
Oh.
You are lucky customer, sir.